Let us have a second look at our code. Now in this section, I am going to talk about empty elements. Empty elements don't necessarily have an opening and closing tag. So if you look at the meta tag and the image tag, they both don't have opening and closing tags. Image tag is a little bit long, but if you look at it till the end, it's just a tag. Now, these elements are typically used to insert something into the document. For example, this image is used to insert an image. Now, in the empty tag, you could have attributes. Attributes give extra information about the element. This could be different things. For example, in the image tag, attribute src is describing where the image will get the source picture from. So this picture actually has a URL, and the src in the image tag tells the HTML where to get the image from. So those are attributes. You can also notice attributes on other tags. Now the attribute has a name and it has a value. So the name of the source attribute is src. Then you have an equals to sign and you have the value. Of course, wrapped within a quotation mark. So the value for this source attribute is the URL. Now in the image tag, you also have an alt attribute. That attribute is used in case the image is not displayed. You know, there are sometimes an image is not displayed. Maybe the URL isn't working. The alt tag is a text that will be displayed when the image cannot be gotten. So the alt can stand for alternative option in case the image isn't there.